Hey there friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. So I wanted to give you a quick preview of the fun fold projects I'm doing in my template class for January. I have one called the Inside Accordion Fold. So it's a standard card base, but it's got this fun pop-out center here. So I show you how to go from start to finish and make the whole project. So there's that. And then the second one is called the Floating Hinge Fold. This one's a simpler fold, but it's still fun and exciting. And so you can see we've got the front, right, with the hinge, and then the inside. So if you're interested in participating in my fun fold class, what you get is the video tutorial. You get a PDF tutorial. Also, I'll send you a printed one if you do the class in the mail. You get a pre-made template, and then you get a practice kit that's all pre-cut, and you just have to put the fold together. So, you know, a lot of the work is done for you first time out. So you get a physical template that you can open and close and see how it works. You get a printed out tutorial, you get the video tutorial, and then you get a pre-cut practice kit so you can practice the fold before you have to do all the fussy cutting and planning out of your papers. So these are the two that I'm sharing in January, and I hope if you're interested, you'll reach out and contact me. The links are below to sign up for the class directly, or if you have any questions, you can just email me at susan@pumpkinhillstampers.com, and I'm happy to answer any questions. All right, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful beginning of the year, and I'll stamp with you again real soon. Have a great day.